This is 2026 One Piece OP 15. We got this single box random number 9. I'm wishing you guys the absolute best of luck on this one, fellow crewmates. We got the die telling us 7 times. Liking the 7s. Liking the 7s. 4, 5, 6, and right there is 7 times. We have done it 7 times, folks. We've done it. Send you guys to the table so I can get this thing printed. Sounds like a Blue Man Group song. Give me Blue Man Group vibes. Blue Man Group. Here we are. I don't like it being put that way, man. I didn't do blues. I did not make that a plural S, man. Come on. There was not a plural S there. He said a man group. Don't like that wording at all. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Pirate Stocking 6, number 8. Satori, number 6. There we got Krieg, number 1 on the leader. Lightning Dragon, number 7. And Kuma, number 4. Fuza. Kairos, number 2. And Bonnie, number 2. Gonus. 0 and 2 on the Luffy. Hogback. We got 3 and Sanji, number 2. With his unlit cigarette. He's just holding it there for the look, I guess. Rebecca, number 9 on the leader. Bartolomeo, number 4, and Lightning Dragon, number 7 on the rare. Is that some spice back there? What's going on? What's peeking at us? There we got number 5 and Sabo on the SR. That is number 6 on the SR. Who's got it? That is David Trank. Doll. We got 0 and Gunfall, number 2 on the rare. Heguma. There's a leader of Luffy, number 8, ringing the bell. Kaku, number 3, and Pearl, number 1. Sanji, number 7, and there's Kobe. Gonna hit you with that roundhouse. That is number 4 on the SR. Number 4. They're named after? Oh, like they're not owned, but they're named after? They shut down in New York, man. Isn't that bad on my name then if that's the case? There we go, number 2 on the Brook. Laboon and Arlong, number 3. Helmipo, number 7. They're still in Vegas, not in New York anymore. I don't know if they're still at Universal Studios in Florida. I didn't look for it. I'll whip you into shape, 0. Alvita, number 3. Where's our sauce? Come on. There we got 0. Fire Fist 0. Don't tell Mama's closed here. It's an even trade. Oh, don't tell Mama's. Is that a trade? I don't know. I don't know. There we got 4. And Rebecca on the SR. On the SR. Did you end up going to the event for their closing? Their like closing ceremony? Closing time. The one oh, I see. I did not know they had a New York location. Now what you say makes sense. There we got number 8. And there's Brooke on the SR. Charging with his I don't know what to call his sword. What is it? It's a cane sword, right? Is there a name for like the cane swords? Is there an official name of that kind of weapon? Captain Morgan. Gedatsu number 3. We got Smoker and Tashigi number 3. Done. Done. That'll be the first when we do the random at the end. Goro. There's Rebecca on the leader, number 9. Frankie. Whip you in the shape, number 0, and God damn, man. God damn. David Trang with the number 6. Sabo on the parallel. Sabo on the parallel. Just the way they draw him in the flames, man. It's always just like, damn. I feel like there's so much room for creativity on how you draw out Sabo. Surrounding him in the flames like that. That is sick. Didn't go. Apparently they're going until 6 a.m. Holy. They should have just kept going until everybody left. Stay up all night. Keep it going. Extend it. There we got number 2. Got 8, and there's Nami. Number 6 on the SR. That one's going out to David Trang. Kotori. There's number 1. Kuro. Oh, the Black Cat Pirates, number 5. Boogie the Pirate. Lucy, number 2. On the leader. 5. And Zoro. That is number 3 on the SR. Number 3, that's Mango at a Bango. One last time was I wonder if there was like a tear. If a tear rolled on the final saying of that. There we have on the golden rifle number 6, and some more juice, some more sauce, a lot of sauce. Oh my god. I kind of want to, I just want to cover the middle of the card. There's a lot happening there. Come on, Smoker. Smoker and Tashigi. Who's got the number 3, Mango. Gosh, the raised ink, man. On the gold. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Smoker and Tashigi. Number 3, Mango. Bada bingo. That was a solid box so far. That's a solid box so far. Yeah, the texture on the One Piece cards is just not fair, bro. It's just not fair. Oh, there we go. There's the original card. Number 3. There's Zoro. Number 7 on the SR. Pretty dope case, yeah. No kidding, man. No kidding. Kelly Funk. Satori number 6. We got number 6, and then our second Dawn. Our second Dawn. Last pack. Last pack. Sentimato. There's Shoot Up, number 7, and Black Rope Dragon Twister, number 9 on the rare. We're gonna do some sleeving and casing. I'm gonna do some sleeving and casing, and then we will hit the random for the 2 Dom. Top 2 spots will be getting a Dawn. D-O-N double exclamation. On the die, that's 5 times. Here we go. 1, come on, 2, 3, 4. And there is 5 with the 5 pips. Mango and Tommy C. Tan with the Dawn. We'll say the numbers as we see them. We've got 2, 2, 9, 2, 8, 9, 1, 7, starting with our SRs. 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, and 6. We got Sabo on the parallel SR. Number 46 going to number 6. And then our second SP of the night. That is Smoker and Tashigi on the SP, number 3. Congrats on that hit, Mango. Goodness. Folks, that was 2026 One Piece OP15 by single box random number 9. We got some Pokemon coming up after this, and then I believe the rest of the case for One Piece.